हाँ बच्चों, आज हम पोएम पढ़ रहे हैं अ लेक्चर अपॉन द शैडो। तो मैं आपको इसकी समरी दे रही हूँ, आप इसको समझना। अगर कोई दिक्कत आए तो मुझसे पूछ लेना। इन दिस पोएम द पोएट इज एड्रेसिंग टू हिज बिलवेड। हियर हिज बिलवेड इज सिंबॉलिक ऑफ गॉड. The poet asks his beloved to stand still and he will read to her lecture on love's philosophy. He and his beloved had spent 3 hours together walking there. 2 shadows went along with them, which were produced by themselves. Now the sun is just above their head, and they walk over those shadows. All things have now been reduced to brave clearness. Their new love grows with the passage of time. As afternoon, new time of clock starts, in the same way disguises also grow. A change has now taken place. They still have to work hard to see that their mutual love should reach at its height. He wishes that his love and his beloved's love should be true and long lasting. They should not have differences between them. According to John Donne's Love is Imperishable, he has described the mystical heights and depths of love. He says to his beloved to stand still and listen to his lecture on the philosophy of love and the importance of shadows. The poet says that if their love continues to noon, they will make new shadows in different directions. The poet concludes that their love is growing or full constant, light never dims. Donne's love poetry expresses diverse experience of love